Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how much Remitly charges for transfers. Understanding the cost of sending money internationally is essential before choosing a remittance provider, and Remitly structures its pricing using a combination of flat transfer fees and currency exchange rate markups. When you initiate a transfer through Remitly, the base transaction fee you pay depends entirely on a few factors: your country of origin, the destination country, the amount you are sending, and how quickly you need the funds to arrive. Remitly generally offers two main speed tiers, Economy and Express. The Economy service is often cheaper or sometimes free depending on the transfer corridor and send amount because it relies on standard bank processing times, which can take up to several business days. On the other hand, the Express service is designed for instant or near-instant delivery using a debit or credit card, but it typically carries an additional flat fee, often ranging around $3.99 or equivalent depending on the route, along with potential card processing charges. Beyond the flat transfer fee, the true cost of using Remitly involves the exchange rate. Remitly generates revenue by adding a margin or markup to the mid-market exchange rate when converting your local currency into the recipient's currency. To attract new users, Remitly frequently offers a special promotional welcome rate for your very first transaction, which gives you a much more favorable exchange rate up to a specific sending threshold. However, once you move past that promotional limit or make subsequent transfers, you will transition to their standard economy or express exchange rates, which include their regular currency markup. Additionally, how you fund your transfer matters. While funding via a bank account is typically the most cost-effective method, using a credit card can introduce extra cash advance or card issuer fees, sometimes adding an extra percentage charge based on the total transfer value. Because pricing varies dynamically based on the exact corridor, current market conditions, and active promotions, it is always recommended to check the live calculator on Remitly's app or website right before sending to see the exact breakdown of the fee and the final exchange rate your recipient will get. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.